Hello, everybody. We're going to read a read aloud called In Our Country by Susan Canizares and Daniel Morton. We've been talking about different habitats, and I want to see if you can see some of the different habitats in this book, In Our Country. This is a map of our country. So not only are we going to talk about habitats, but we've been also talking about maps, so it works out really well. In some parts, there are forests. In others, there are deserts. In some parts, there are beaches. In others, there are marshes. In some parts, there are rivers. In others, there are lakes. In some parts, there are canyons. In others, there are prairies. In some parts, there are snow-covered mountains. Let's take care of our whole country. So now we have a bit of Earth Day in there too. Let's talk about some different habitats we saw in this book. Take a look. We saw forests. We've talked about the forest habitat. We saw desert. You can see the desert habitat and what that looks like. Beaches. So what's on the other side of that beach? An ocean. We've talked about an ocean habitat too. And a marsh. A marsh is a different kind of a habitat. Different animals and different plants will live there in marshlands. There's a river habitat and a lake habitat. This is a canyon, but it looks like it's a little bit desert kind of a habitat, right? We talked about prairies. Prairies are sort of the same thing as grasslands. It's kind of that grasslands habitat. And then what was this kind of habitat? Remember we talked about tundra? We've talked about the tundra in some things. And here again, our whole country made up of all these different habitats. I hope you enjoyed reading. I hope you read along with me. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.